Unraveling, It's a Crying Shame, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase, it's a crying shame. This expression is rich in meaning and emotion, and understanding it can add depth to your English comprehension and expression. Let's unpack what this phrase means and how you can use it in your own conversations. It's a crying shame is a phrase used to express a strong feeling of sadness or disappointment about a situation. The word crying here doesn't literally mean sobbing. Instead, it emphasizes the extent of the shame or the loss. It's like saying the situation is so unfortunate that it could make one cry. This expression is often used to comment on wasted opportunities, injustices, or anything deemed extremely regrettable. To better understand how to use "it's a crying shame," let's look at some examples. In the context of missed opportunities, he was the best in his class but never went to college. It's a crying shame when talking about injustices or wrongdoings. So many people go hungry in wealthy cities. It's a crying shame regarding personal regret. I had tickets to the concert but got sick and couldn't go. It's a crying shame. These examples show how versatile the phrase can be, fitting into conversations about personal experiences, societal issues, and more. Understanding the emotional weight behind "it's a crying shame" is crucial for non-native speakers. This expression carries a strong sense of regret and sadness, making it powerful in conversation. It's not used for trivial matters. Instead, it's reserved for situations that genuinely warrant such a response. By using this phrase appropriately, you show not only your command of English but also your sensitivity to the nuances of emotional expression. Thank you for joining us as we explored the meaning and use of "it's a crying shame." We hope this video has enriched your understanding of this poignant expression and how it reflects the complexity of human emotions. Remember, mastering a language is not just about the words but also about the feelings they convey. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this expression when you encounter a situation that truly deserves it. See you in our next video.